Hey guys, Triple C coming at you. I got a package from none other than MGK. I've had this a few days and I really wasn't sure how to go about this video because for number one, I asked him to do something for me, which obviously he did, but he will not take the money for it. So it kind of pissed me off because I don't want handouts. I don't want charity. I'm not a charity case or nothing like that. You know, if I can't get it on my own and pay for it, I don't want it. But it's not right to disrespect MGK and give him a shout out for what he did for me. So this is it. This is the video. So I asked MGK after he there's my new Sogzilla. Asked him to pick me up a couple of those new stainless steel topped koozies, since my store wasn't carrying any koozies around here. I haven't seen koozies for a long time, but naturally he had no problem doing that for me. So let's unbox this thing and see what's up inside it. Now, he spent as much on shipping as the two items in the box. So I'm gonna try not to cut myself with this knife. It's pretty sharp. Anyhow, damn, he packaged the hell out of it. Jeez whiz, MGK, you got snakes everywhere. Wow, you got paper snakes everywhere. Look, oh, way down in here. Anyhow, look, there they are. Brand new, never used. Ozark Trail koozies with a stainless top. I haven't seen these yet, and I kind of want one after he showed himself picking one up. There should be another one in somewhere. There we go. I appreciate it, MGK. I'm going to make this up to you somehow. I don't know how, but I will. So that's part of being in the ammo mafia. I mean, we got some really good guys in the group, and I know I give you some shit, MGK. That's all in fun. Hope you understand that. But yeah, big shout out to MGK. If you don't know his channel, he's gonna probably comment on this video, so check him out. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks, MGK. Let me make this up to you somehow, buddy. So I really do appreciate it. Channel Cat out.